Welcome to Jobs Edu World. Today we will be discussing on the temporary appointment for part-time sports instructors by Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Guwahati. Let us start. Candidates are invited to a walk-in interview for the appointment starting from July 2023. The posts are as follow. For part-time sports instructors on consolidated pay, we have 1 post for jump and throw in athletics, 1 post in badminton, 2 posts in basketball, 1 post in cricket, 1 post in football, 2 posts in hockey, 1 post each for male and female in swimming, 2 posts in lawn tennis, 2 posts in table tennis, 1 post in volleyball and 1 post in weightlifting. For a duration of a period of 10 months starting from July 2023 to April 2024. Again, we have 1 post for jump and throw in athletics, 1 post in chess, and 1 post in squash. For a duration of a period of 6 months starting from July 2023 to December 2023. Again, we have 1 post in water polo, for a duration of a period of 4 months starting from July 2023 to October 2023. Now, for the minimum qualification, we have certificate in coaching or degree in physical education or participation in national or inter-university or zonal level competition with 10 plus to general qualifications. And for the experience, candidates having experience of teaching or coaching will be given preference. For the age, 45 years is desirable. Next, the duty hours is from 5:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. from Monday to Saturday. Next, the date of practical test is on 31st May 2023 at 9:30 a.m. and the venue is Old SAC Building, IIT Guwahati. Next, the date of interview is on 1st June 2023 at 9:30 a.m. and the venue is Old SAC Building, IIT Guwahati. Finally, on how to apply. Interested candidates may report to Old SAC Building, Indian Institute of Technology, Guwahati at 9:30 a.m. on 31st May 2023 for verification along with their CV, original documents, and a set of photocopy of all relevant documents, along with 2 passport-size color photographs. And, for any query interesting candidates may contact recadmin@iitg.ac.in. Most importantly, the candidates shortlisted based on practical test will call to attend interview on 1st June 2023. For further information download the notification given in the description box. Wishing all the aspirants best wishes, signing off Jobs Edu World. Thank you.